Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Life SolidWorks practice model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design the simple model you can see in your screen. This is the model that we are going to make in this video. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for the OK. You can see here the by default unit is mm/second. So here my requirement is also mm/second. So if you have other by default unit, you can change it from here itself. So let's keep it like this for my system here right now. I'll select here top plane and go for the sketch. I'll make a sketch. I'll go for the line and I will draw a sketch which is like this. Come out from the sketch and go for the dimension. I'll be giving the length is 92. In the same way, I'll be giving this also 92. Now we need to go for the fillet here. So click on the fillet and give the fillet here which is 45. And just go with the OK. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch. I'm going to create a sweep operation. So this I'm going to use as my path. So let's select here font plane and go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane. And here I'll go for the circle and I will draw here two concentric circles. And go for the dimension and give the dimension for both the circle. The outer one is 40 and the inner one is 34. Now come out from the sketch, go for the sweep command. Now you see here the profile is already selected. Now we need to select the path. Just go with the OK. Now I need to go for the plane creation. So click on the reference geometry. Here inside this you have the option plane and I'll choose here the top plane and here I'll be choosing the reference distance which is 30 and just go with the OK. Now select this plane and go for the sketch and make it normal to the plane. Now I will convert these edges into sketch. So I'll go for the convert entities. I'll select this silhouette edge, this and this edge and this edge and just go with the OK. Now come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base. Click on the extruded boss base and reverse the direction. Give the extrude up to next and just go with the OK. Now you see your model is looking like this. Now I will do here one thing. Once again I will use this face and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Now I need to go for the offset here and select this. Give the offset distance here. You can see already 3 is there. I need 3 and I need to reverse the direction. Here I want to convert this base geometry into construction mode. Select this and just go with the OK. Now come out from this sketch and go for the extruded cut and select the sketch and go with the up to next and just go with the OK. Here I will hide this plane. Now I will go for the sketch to this plane like this, make it normal to the plane. Now I will go for the line command here, select a line and go for the sketch. I'll make a sketch which is like this and just close it like this from here to here like this. Go for the dimension there. I'll be giving here dimension which is 3 mm from here to here. In the same way here also I need to give the dimension which is 3 mm. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready. So come out from this sketch and go for the extruded boss base and reverse the direction and give the extruded thickness which is up to next, and just go with the OK. Now you can see I need to create a hole here. So let me click here on the hole wizard. This is like normal hole I need here. So click on this and I will go for the ANSI metric which is already selected. My requirement is the diameter which is 3 mm, and the bottom we will be having the angle 100 and the depth is 12 mm. Now I'll go for the position. So click on this 3D sketch and click on this face like this and make it normal to the plane. Now you can give the dimension here. Click on the dimensions. You can give this and this having the relation concentric and just go with the OK. Just go like this. Now you can see here it is like this. Now in the same way we need one more same kind of things here also. Now I will just go for the sketch here. Normal sketch I will take, so like this, and I will just create a line here which I will use it to draw the plane. I will start from here to here like this. Like this I will convert into construction geometry as well. Now come out from the sketch. I'll go for the plane creation. So go to the reference geometry and then go for the plane. Here I will choose here top plane, and in the second reference I will choose this. Now you can see here one plane is getting generated over there. Now I will go for the mirror command with respect to this plane. So go for the mirror here. You can see we have the features here, 3D mirror. In the mirror I will choose this plane, and from drop down menu I can choose this extruded boss base and this hole, and just go with the OK. Now you can see here. Now if you want you can hide everything. I want to hide this sketch and this plane. Just select this and go for this hide. So guys, now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.